want to kiss. No. Step up.
How you been?
We only have one right now, but we're getting our animals.
She's hyper. I
Pretty
can
bird.
tolerate her. Oh man, she knocks me on the ground twice.
No. Oh,
She's a
kisses
killer.
aren't getting it for you. You're not getting on my
I've been
shoulder.
doing that a lot with these products.
Yeah, there's no cry.
There's no room. We've got to move everything.
Hey.
I like this.
That's the right now.
That Riley, pretty cool, huh?
No shoulder. I said no. Kisses still don't get it for you. Yes, they're still not going to get it for you. Oh, yes.
Wing. So they just clip the few inside
You
there?
clip, pretty much, see the top layer of feathers right here?
Yep.
You don't want to clip those, but you can clip every one of these.
Oh, okay.
They leave these
Just so-
for extra color.
Oh, okay.
But as you can tell, he's so sweet, you wouldn't ever have a problem clipping his wings. And when they bite, sometimes, he doesn't realize he hurts.
Uh-huh.
I said no. I said no. He's like having an 8-year-old child in your house for 80 years.
All right, come on, get the news over with. I want to hear the music.